Have you ever experienced a dream where you were fully aware that you were dreaming? Where you had the ability to control and manipulate the dream world around you? If so, you may have had a lucid dream. Lucid dreaming is a fascinating phenomenon in which the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming while the dream is still taking place. This awareness allows the dreamer to have some level of control over the dream, including the ability to make decisions, alter the dream environment, and even interact with other dream characters. While lucid dreaming has been a topic of fascination for centuries, it wasn't until the late 20th century that scientific research began to shed light on this mysterious experience. Studies have shown that during lucid dreams, the brain exhibits a unique pattern of activity that distinguishes it from non-lucid dreams. In particular, the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making and self-awareness, shows increased activity during lucid dreaming. One study conducted at the Max Planck Institute for Human Cognitive and Brain Sciences in Germany used functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, to examine the brain activity of lucid dreamers while they were experiencing a lucid dream. The researchers found that during lucid dreaming, the brain exhibited a similar pattern of activity to that seen during wakefulness, suggesting that lucid dreaming may involve a heightened state of consciousness. The potential benefits of lucid dreaming are vast and varied. For some, lucid dreaming offers a creative outlet to explore their own inner worlds and imagination. Others use lucid dreaming as a tool for self-improvement, such as overcoming fears, improving problem-solving skills, or practicing new skills. Some individuals even use lucid dreaming as a form of therapy, confronting and working through unresolved emotional issues within the safety of the dream world. However, lucid dreaming is not without its drawbacks. Some individuals may experience sleep disturbances or difficulty differentiating between reality and the dream world. For others, the reality-bending nature of lucid dreaming can lead to feelings of disorientation or confusion upon waking. If you're interested in exploring the world of lucid dreaming, there are several techniques that can help increase the likelihood of having a lucid dream. One common method is reality testing, where you regularly question your state of consciousness throughout the day by asking yourself if you are dreaming. This practice can help train your brain to recognize when you are dreaming and trigger lucidity. Another technique is keeping a dream journal, where you record your dreams in detail each morning to increase dream recall and awareness. Personal anecdotes and real-life examples can also illustrate the power and potential of lucid dreaming. Take, for example, the story of Chris, a lucid dreamer who used his dreams to overcome his fear of public speaking. By practicing his speeches in lucid dreams, Chris was able to build confidence and overcome his anxiety, ultimately delivering a successful presentation in waking life. In conclusion, lucid dreaming is a fascinating and complex phenomenon that has captured the imagination of scientists, psychologists, and dreamers alike. While there is still much we have yet to understand about the nature of lucid dreaming, ongoing research continues to uncover its unique properties and potential benefits. Whether you're a seasoned lucid dreamer or curious newcomer, exploring the world of lucid dreaming can lead to profound insights, personal growth, and a deeper understanding of the mind's limitless potential. So why not give it a try and see where your dreams may take you?